Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can apply the same background or same background color to the all slide in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me take one blank canvas. So I just take that social media Instagram post. So here you can see I have one page, so I just add more page quickly. Okay, so now you need to if you want to apply same background, I just apply first page background. Okay, so this is my first page background. I want to apply this to the all rest pages. So what you need to do, you can view the pages like this. Okay, if you need to just click on this. If it's not visible to you, just click on this page option, then your page view like this. Okay, now you can simply copy the page size, copy the page style like this, and hit the control key on your keyboard. Hold it and select all pages like this. Right click to any and just paste your dash style. Sorry, let me copy paste style and select all, paste page style. Okay, you can see now all background has been changes. Or there is a one more options. I just let me undo. Okay, so come to this option which is grid view. Select your first page style or page which have the background. Now just copy the page style, hit the Ctrl A, right click anywhere and paste the page style. Okay, now you just close that page view, come to your normal view, and you can see all page here with the same background. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.